Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to organize your teams here in Microsoft Teams desktop application or desktop client. So the first thing that I will want you to do now is to connect to your Microsoft Teams account and open your Microsoft desktop client, and then just follow these simple steps. So after you open that, you will need to go to the Teams menu or to the Teams window here. In the navigation tab, you will just search for this team icon or choice and click on it, and here you will find the team panel. So basically, to manage all your teams, all you need to do is to go to the Teams settings. And to do so, you will need just to click on this gear icon and click on more option. And of course, all we need to do is to manage our teams. So that way we can organize our teams here. So now here you can do any settings or set up each team individually. So I'm going to click on this one and I'm going to click on manage team, and now I can do multiple things here. The first thing, either adding a member, changing roles of members. You can add some tags, giving them usernames or some nicknames. You can see the channels. That mean adding a channels, rename it, manage its permission. You can do multiple things for it. You can go to the settings, so you can have, for example, some themes or some profile or favicon. You can call it whatever you want. Also have the member permissions like we did for the channels. You can have multiple things to organize your teams here. After you finish, you go, for example, to members, and then just go to manage team, and you are going to see all the things. Also, you can do this thing for the other team or for the next team again, and you can start doing this for all the teams that you have. You can delete the apps that are related or that are connected to your team, etc. After you finish, you just go like that and search for manage teams, and then just double click on your team and go to a channel, and it will switch you to the normal view or to the working station view. So basically, this is how you can organize your teams and set up them in or update them and manage them here in Microsoft Teams. Thank you for watching and see you next time.